You are 30 minutes away from these saucy pulled chicken sandwiches with a creamy coleslaw. To 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon salt, and a half teaspoon each of pepper and garlic powder. Stir well, then lay them flat on a baking sheet. My recipe on the Cookful gives instructions for the slow cooker and the Instant Pot, but here I'm baking them in a 425 degree Fahrenheit oven until they hit 160 degrees Fahrenheit inside, about 20 to 23 minutes. Now make the slaw. Mix 1 cup of creamy salad dressing like Caesar or ranch with 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar. Add salt to taste. Add half a head of shredded cabbage. That's about 6 to 7 cups, or use 1 bag of shredded cabbage. Mix well, then let it sit while the chicken finishes cooking. When the chicken's done, let it rest for a few minutes so it stays nice and juicy. Add a 1/4 cup of chicken stock to the pan to dissolve the flavor from the browned bits there, and be sure to scrape those all up into the liquid. For shredding the chicken, you can go old school and use 2 forks or a fork and a knife on a cutting board, or put the chicken in a bowl and use a hand mixer to shred it up finely. However you shred it, stir in a few spoonfuls of that deglazed pan liquid to moisten the chicken and add extra flavor. Then add some barbecue sauce, 1/4 to 1/2 cup of it, depending on how much you like it. Toast 4 hamburger buns, pile 1/4 of the chicken onto each one, and then add a generous scoop of the slaw. So good. It's saucy and crunchy and ready so quickly. Get more taste-easy recipes at cookthestory.com.